Hi viewers, my name is Zamlola. Welcome to Zamlola's Kitchen. On today's episode, we'll be making moin that have beans. The main will be using beans. Beans is the main ingredients. Let me show you how it goes. Now you peel the beans, you peel it. See, this one is not peeled. This one is not peeled. And this one is peeled. You see, when you finish peeling it, you remove the skin. When you remove the skin, you will look like this, and you will soak it until it's soft. After it is soft, then we will now blend. That's what we are going to do now. We are going to blend it. So we are going to need pepper, this bell pepper, this is it. And we are going to need this one habanero pepper. This one, we are going to need it. We are going to need onion, and we are going to need salt to taste. And we are going to need oil. This is the oil. This is it. We are going to need oil. We are going to need fish. I will explain the fish later. We are going to need this small plastic bag. We call it nylon. We're going to need this plastic bag. But if you don't have plastic bag, you can use anything that you have, like a bowl, small bowl. If you watch my video that I've already made, you will see it there. Now I'll explain the fish. The fish, if you don't like fish, you can remove the fish. You can use egg. If you don't like egg, you can use corned beef. Anything that you have, use it. But if you do not have, just keep it. Doesn't matter. So now let's blend the beans. I will drain the water from the beans. Now I'm going to pour everything inside because it's not too much. I use 2 cups of beans. If any measurement that you like, I need just 2 cups of beans. This is it. Then I will be using my habanero pepper. I will cut it into half because this one is too spicy. It's the spicy kind. So I'm going to use just a little bit of it. Then I'll be using one of these. Just put it inside. And I'm going to be using half of this because if I use all this bell pepper, it will be too much for it. Now if you have small bell pepper, you can use small bell pepper. But for me, I do not have small. That's why I'm using half of the big one. That's it. Then I'll be adding my onion. When I finish adding my onion, I will now blend. I will let you see how it looks when I finish blending it. Now we are going to blend it. Now, you see how smooth it is? It's not too thick, not too watery. I'm going to this is it. Let's add a little bit of water to it, just a little bit. This is it. Just add salt. This is the salt. Just add more because yes, let's add oil. Don't add too much oil to it. You see? You use your eyes to look at it. Don't need to measure it. Then you mix it together. Now before you put it in your bag that you are going to use, you have to put water in your pot. You don't need to hot before, you don't need to be boiling before you put it inside. You just put water inside and turn on the stove. That's it. Now we'll now put it inside. This is how it goes. You see, you use a cup or spoon to put it inside like this. You see, like this one. You add more to it. This is it. Then you will not tie it. You will not tie it because I adding the fish. You add the fish inside. You add as much as you think it's going to take. This is it. Then you tie it. See, like this. Then like this. Now this is it. I'm doing the rest. This is the last one. Then add the fish to the pot. This one is so fishy. You see? Now you have to put more fish. You see? Just tie it down. Don't make sure that it's not loose. If it's loose, it's not good. Then we come to this place. We open it. We put it one after the other. You can't just pour it. That's wrong. One after the other. Today we make moin. That is beans cake. So this is it. My beans cake is already cooked. You see, it's soft. I'm going to open one for you so that you can see. So that you can see it that is cooked. See it. I want you to see inside. You see it's cooked. It's so soft. Make sure you allow it to cool down before eating. But now, in my own case, I'm going to add my rice to it because I cooked rice. So I know some people will be asking, if I don't want to eat it with rice, what can I eat it with? You can eat it with bread. You can just eat it like that. If you don't have bread or rice, you can eat it with pap. You can eat it with gari, anything goes. This is it. I want to show you, you see. This is it. This is it. Okay. This is it. Let me taste it because I'll just taste a little bit because it's still hot. It tastes fabulous. It tastes nice. Now, I would like to tell you that you should please like, comment, share, turn on the notification bell. King, king, king. And please, don't forget, is Damilola Olaleye. Or if you don't see Damilola Olaleye, you can just type Mary Dami. Yes, Mary Dami. Let me show you. Mary Dami. This is it. This is spelling of Mary Dami. This is the spelling of Mary Dami. Yeah. This is it. So please follow me on Facebook. Mary Olaleye on Facebook. You see my picture of me on Facebook so that you know that it's me. And please stay blessed. And please follow me on TikTok also. It's the same name, Mary Olaleye on TikTok. And please stay blessed. And bye. See you next time.